Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So, in today's episode, I'm going to give you a crash course on trading meme coins. So, whatever I say in this video should not be considered financial advice, and I'd advise you to do your own research before you buy any cryptocurrency. Okay, so let's dive in. So, harsh truths of being a meme coin trader. So, roughly 50,000 meme coins get created each day across all blockchains. Over 50% of them get created on the Solana blockchain. 7 out of the top 10 meme coins are based around dogs. Now, I want you to keep this in mind towards the end of the video. Okay, so less than 0.01% of meme coins survive past the first 3 months of trading. Now, you have to realize that the odds are very much stacked against you when you're trading meme coins. So, what makes a good meme coin? So, there's a lot of variables. So, we'll just go through it in this video. So, first of all, I've underlined here mind share. Like, does the meme coin have mind share? Also, I've underlined virality. So, will it get attention? Will it go viral? Then the third is humor. Do people find it funny? We also have to make sure, is it a fair launch? Does the community get in at a good price? Does it start off at a very low market cap? Then there is community. Now, in my opinion, I think community is everything when it comes to meme coins. And to form a good community, ideally it has to be a fair launch and the community has to get rich off. Because once they get rich, then they become loyal and then they stick, and then they're like what Murad says, they become evangelists. So they end up shilling the token to everyone, trying to get everyone involved. And that's just basically how it works. So when we have PvP versus PvE. So PvP stands for player versus player, while PvE stands for player versus environment. Now, this is a big issue as of recent, because in the previous bull market, pretty much most of the famous meme coins were all PvE. So it was a lot easier to make money, like because they went up to such enormous market caps, like the likes of Doge and SHIB, and we will talk a little bit more about them in the video. But now the state of the trenches it's more PvP. So it's player versus player. So it's like get in, get out, and just make a quick flip. And basically that's how it is. And especially nowadays that there's this new platform called pump.fun where anyone can make a meme coin. Now we're going to go through it all in this video. Okay, so first up, I would like to highlight this. I think I highlighted it in my previous video, Google Trends. But if I just search the term meme coin, and over the past 5 years, you see that the term is gone parabolic. It's absolutely insane. So, and this is worldwide. So if you look here in the chart back in May of 2021, you've seen it did see a first initial spike. Now, don't get me wrong, there was a lot of meme coins back in the previous bull run, but it's nowhere near what it's like at the moment. So again, it topped out here on between October and November in 2021. As you can see, this is the state of the market right now. So it's nearly at 100. Now, this is getting to extreme levels. And to be fair, I am starting to get a little bit worried. Now, not to say that meme coins are going to die out. When it comes to cryptocurrency, meme coins will always be around. It's just because they just capture mindshare so easily. So I did see this tweet earlier on in the week. The TikTokers are coming. So basically, also in my previous video, I did highlight that retail is starting to get back into cryptocurrency. And this always happens towards the very end of a bull market. Okay, so we're just going to watch this clip.
Cryptocurrency is just kind of blowing my mind right now. Because I spent $5 on Shiba Inu and got like 230,000 shares of it. So if the price ever reaches $1, I just have $230,000. And obviously that would take years and years to do, and it's very unlikely. But people said Bitcoin would never reach $1, and now Bitcoin is at $89,000. So whether or not it's a safe investment, I'm not sure. But I'd rather be safe than sorry and put a little money in there. And I'm very, very new to crypto, so I don't know what I'm talking about. But I just think it could be a really cool opportunity. I don't know.
So if we go to the website CoinGecko, you will see Bitcoin is number one. So that means that it's the number one cryptocurrency on the planet. And it has a market cap of $1.8 trillion. And its price is coming in at 94,000. So to get the market cap, you have to multiply the price by the circulating supply. So if we just click into Bitcoin, so we get the price of Bitcoin multiplied by the circulating supply, that will give you its market cap. So if you put in, let's say, $100 into Bitcoin now, the market cap would have to double for the price to double, for your, let's say, your $100 to double. So if we just go back out here and you can see, so Ethereum is the second biggest, Tether is a stable coin, and so on and so forth. But if we come down to Shiba, so Shiba is the number 13th biggest altcoin there is on the planet. And it's coming in at a market cap of just over $13 billion. Okay, so for Shiba to go to $1, so we put in $1 divided by 0.00002335. So that is a total of 42,826. So you'd have to multiply the market cap by that figure for Shiba to go to $1. Quickly do it here by 13 trillion. 9. Yeah, so that's coming in at 588 quadrillion market cap. To give you perspective, the market cap of all the gold in the world is only like 13 trillion. So yeah, there's not a hope in hell that Shiba is going to go to $1. So it's very important, if you're new to cryptocurrency, to understand price, market cap, and circulating supply. Okay, but today we're talking about meme coins. So not every new coin is going to get listed on CoinGecko. To find new meme coins, you're going to have to use this DEX screener. So it's very similar in the sense to CoinGecko. You'll find most coins on here, especially new coins, new meme coins that are being generated. Eventually, once the meme coin gets established, you'll eventually be able to find it on CoinGecko. But you can search all new pairs. It will also give you coins on all the different chains. I like to just focus on Solana because, like I said, 50% of all the meme coins get created on Solana, and that's where all the volume is. So if you just click here, Solana, you can go through your filters. You can add, different liquidity, your market cap, the age of the coin. So there's so many different filters you can use for searching for new coins. You can also see what's trending in the last 24 hours. So yeah, DEX Screener is where it's at for new coins. So this is a new platform that was created this year. It's called Pump.Fun. I'm just going to turn off these animations here. Okay, so anyone could come on here and make their own meme coin. So you just click here, start a new coin. You fill in the name, you give it a ticker symbol, description, and you can upload an image or a video. And then you will have to fund it with some Solana. And then you just create a coin, and there you go. Okay, so Pump.Fun has gained huge user base in the short amount of time, thanks to the current Solana meme season. Pump.Fun has been the number one place to hunt for early meme coins, as it is as fair as you can get on Solana meme coin launches. It has attracted significant attention from the crypto community by allowing anyone to create and launch an instant tradable new coin without seed liquidity for less than $2 in under a minute. So to see new coins that are being featured here, you just click here and you click creation time. And then you can see, yes, like this one here, Trump's Yo Daddy was created like 10 seconds ago. You have this one here, RIP Yoshi. So you can flick down through Pump.Fun and you can see all the coins that have been created. If there's something then that catches your eye, then you can look into it. These ones are all pretty new. And you'll notice from being on here quite often that a lot of them are just repeats, and they're just copies of other coins. And they're just, majority of them are all just scams. So me personally, I try and stay away from Pump.Fun, and you're better off nearly just going to the casino. Now, there is people that do make a living off Pump, and they have strategies in place of how to get in and get out early. But yeah, you can just scroll through it, and we'll just see if I can see one. See this one here now, it has a liquidity market cap of 20K. So we'll just click on this one here. You can see that it's very close to the bonding curve. It's at 67%. So again, once it reaches the bonding curve, then the liquidity will be locked and the trading will be paused for a little bit. And then eventually then there'll be a liquidity pool opened up on Radium, and then it will be trading like as if it's like a normal meme coin. But just because once it gets to Radium, then doesn't mean that it might not rug. It might lose steam, and people might just sell, and it could still rug on Radium. So this one here, If I personally, I don't like trading on pump.fun because the UI is not great. As you can see here, I can only drop down as low as the 1 minute chart. So what I like to do and what I suggest if you want to trade on pump.fun, that you just copy the address here and then move over to another platform called Photon. So this is Photon, right? And you can actually set it up where you see new pairs and you can go down to dexes. You can just click on pump.fun and apply. I've already copied the address from pump.fun. So I can just click on here and press paste. So here is the coin that was created 5 minutes ago. And the beauty about the Photon is you can have each candlestick as 1 second. So it just gives you a nicer view of what the coin is doing and what it looks like. So another thing then you can check is the number of traders that are getting involved. You can see the liquidity and the dev, how much. See, the dev now has 0% of the supply, so he completely just actually sold everything. So I think this one is pretty much a rug. But I suggest you to watch a proper detailed tutorial on Photon. Now, what I like about it is that you can set up limit buys and sells. So you can, so say if you buy a meme coin, you're not too sure of it, and if it drops below a certain price point or market cap, you can just set it to sell or even just to buy more if you're sniping more. Also, I would look up videos, tutorials on trading bots on Telegram. They are very, very handy. Also, what I like about Photon is it does have this bubble maps feature down below here. So bubble maps is it takes all the on-chain data and it will tell you if there's any clusters. So what a lot of scam actors try to do is basically they will buy up majority of the supply on when the coin just launches, and they will send out the supply from one wallet to multiple different wallets. So it looks like that the coin is decentralized, and it gives off the impression that there's many more traders trading the coin. But it will, in fact, if you look and you see a coin that has a lot of clusters on bubble maps, you know that this is a red flag. It'll also tell you the top traders, all the transactions, and all your orders. So this is just another coin. It's called Just Hanging Around, and I just want to show you an example of the bubble map. So see here, you can see here that it's showing a cluster. So basically, because this trader here obviously bought up majority of the supply, and then he sent from his original wallet, then he sent out some of the coins to 3 other different wallets. So in theory, when you look at the watch list of all the wallets, you can see this one only has 2.69% of the supply, which is not too bad. But if you click on this wallet, so that's number 1. But this wallet is also connected to 3 other wallets. So that's a 1%, 1%, another 1%. So ideally, this guy actually has 6% of the total supply. So there's some coins that you can see that one holder could hold like 40% of the supply across multiple different wallets. So this is a very, very handy tool when you're searching for new coins. So just something else to be clear, when you're trading on pump.fun, so the bonding curve is at roughly about 69,000. So we'll just draw a line in there. So usually what people do is they'd get in and they try and buy at maybe a market cap between 10 and 5,000. And then they'll try and ride the wave up, but they'll definitely be taking profits before they reach the threshold of the bonding curve. So basically, we know that the bonding curve usually happens around 69K. So what they do is they try and get in between 5 to 10K. Then they take their profits. Like this coin here, they just took their profits at like 40K. So you'll see that time and time again with tokens being launched on pump.fun. So in my personal opinion, I just completely stay away from pump.fun. I don't personally like to trade fresh meme coins because realistically, the odds are not in your favor at all. Now, I know there is certain traders out there that do make a living off it. They have certain strategies to get in and get out early. But personally, it's just not my cup of tea. So another thing to look out for when you're trading meme coins is once you find a coin, and say if you want to trade on Pump.fun, is to check if it has a Twitter account. Also, you can check if they have a Telegram and a website. So usually a lot of scams would just link these to other Telegrams or other Twitter pages. So you have to be very, very careful once trading on Pump.fun. You can also check the profile of the dev, and you can see if he had previous coins and what coins he created. So you can see these ones, and you can check how they're doing. A lot of them are roughly around the 7K market cap. So it just gives you an indication of what the dev is like, if you can trust him, see if there's people following him. So this is another website. It's called Dune.com. So basically, it's just show all different stats. You can search pump.fun. So you can see here on the top left-hand corner that the volume on pump.fun in the past 14 days is 3.4 billion. So this is insane. Like, we're just talking about meme coins. And you can see the total fees, the daily volume, total addresses, token launches. But it just, if you look at the activity that Pump.fun is seeing over the past few days, is insane. And it's actually quite scary. Look. So if token launches on Pump.fun, so you can see here, we are now at an all-time high. So today there has been over 69,000 coins launched. So you can see that the market is really getting saturated. So also another good website that you can use is HolderScan. So this one, there's a link for it on their Twitter page. So this is HolderScan. So this is their website, and it's a very useful website. It's also free to use. So you can come back down here and you can see like today's biggest gainers. So we'll just look up at this G. I think this is an Andrew Tate coin. So you can see it'll give you the name, the ticker, the amount of holders that hold above $10. So it's currently at 1,492. And it just gives you a good overall of how the project is doing. So this is over the last 30 days. We'll go maybe holders over $10. So you can see this is quite a new coin. You can see that the holders actually kind of, well, let me get rid of my screen there. So you can see that the holders actually have spiked over the last 2 days. But what you want to see is coins that are gaining more and more holders. Because obviously, the more the holders, the more the coins are being distributed. More holders actually correlates with higher price. Now, I did see this tweet today. I'm just going to give it a quick read. So over 77,000 new tokens in one day. That's 3,200 new tokens per hour. That's 53 a minute. Almost one new token every second of the day. You all need serious help. So when the number of tokens explode like this, you can be certain that the people making the money are the ones serial launching these things. At some point, the means of extraction becomes maximally efficient, like a mushroom's mycelium network. The Ruggers development apparatus branches out to grab the desired resources as quickly as possible, your money. The biggest threat to meme coins is the meme coin ecosystem. When resources are plentiful, there is no deterrence to one person launching hundreds of pump funds. This happens until liquidity is so thin that few people are hitting anymore and get burnt out. So yes, from the stats that I showed you earlier on the video, the meme coin space is getting very, very saturated, and I'm slightly getting a little bit concerned. A majority of people that are playing the meme coin game are just getting burned, and the only people that are making money are the people that are launching the coins. So, which is very, very unfortunate. Now, I'm not saying that the meme coin space will die down, but I do think that it might just cool off a little bit, and people might start to rotate then back into more serious projects. So speaking about serious projects, I am still bullish on Dog Emoji on Solana. So as you can see here is its Twitter page, nearly has 1,000 followers, and it does have a strong community. Now, if we just look at the chart for Dog Emoji, initially I got in at a market cap of $4 million, and I have been dollar cost averaging this one. I think I bought in again then at roughly just under 2 million. And I still believe it has potential, because when looking at projects, I like to back the winners of a new trend. So the thing about meme coins, there's always different new metas starting. So we had the political meme coins. So you had the Donald Trump, Joe Biden. So that was the build up to the election. Now that has died down. So there's always new metas. So we recently seen then the sentient meme coins. This is AI agents launching meme coins. So there's always new trends. So Dog of Emoji on Solana was the first of the Emojify meta. So if we just go to, so this is currently Emoji Race. So Emoji Race is all of the emojis that are tokenized. So as you can see here, Dog of Emoji is still the winner, still the leader of Emoji Race. So you have the pregnant man that is just coming closely behind, and then you have the magnet that it's pretty much neck and neck. So in my opinion, as the bull market progresses, as we see more and more retail coming in, and once this gets more and more of attention, I do believe all eyes will be back on Dog of Emoji. So I'm obviously placing my bets here. I could be completely wrong. At the end of the day, it's a meme coin. I have less than 2% of my net portfolio in this meme coin. So if it does go to zero, look, it's not going to do me too much harm. But overall, I do believe that Dog Emoji does have strong potential in this up-and-coming bull run. So this is Frank from D-Gods. He's probably one of the top meme coin traders. So this is just some of the advice that he gives when trading meme coins.
One of the biggest reasons that you're going to make mistakes with trading is you're oversizing. You see a play set in a telegram, it looks hot, you fucking put your whole port in it, and now it goes down by 5%, and you're like, fuck, like, I can't buy anything else, so I have no soul left. You're oversizing on that trade. It's going to make you make bad decisions. Where if you size small, even if you're not going to make fucking 100K in an hour, you size small, you're not going to stress about the bag. You're able to hold it. And when you hold something for longer than what your counterparties are able to hold, you end up reaping the rewards of that. This right here is the best advice in CT. I agree. I think it makes a big difference. If you're oversizing, you're going to get nervous. If you get nervous, you're going to make bad decisions. Make bad decisions, you're going to blow up your bankroll. If you're sizing small into these things, clicking in little darts, then you're not going to get stressed and you have the shot at experiencing asymmetric upside.
So I also seen this tweet earlier on in the week. So this is from Murad. You probably would have seen the video that I made on my channel of Murad. It was, I titled it The New Main Character in Crypto. So he put out this tweet earlier on this week. So there will always be flavor of the week runners, but very few of them will survive into sustainable multi-quarter, let alone multi-cycle giant monsters. Only hardcore cults can maintain attention and belief for a prolonged period of time. And you also have this tweet here. He said, don't trade, buy and hold. Hold for months, believe in something. So when it comes to meme coin trading, my advice is to do your own research, try and find cults, try and find market leaders and hold. And you're going to have to experience serious drawdowns. Like you're going to have to see like some drawdowns, you might even see it come down 80%. But if it's a good meme and you find value in it, the majority is other people are probably going to find value in it. So we're getting into the final stage of the bull market. And in my opinion, I know from experience that people that will just hold spot will actually outperform people that are in and out trading every single day. So there you have it, folks. I know that was a long-winded video. I hope you got value out of this one. If you did, please go down, smash up the like button, hit the subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.